So cholangiocarcinoma it's a rare cancer of the bile ducts in the liver. It's something that's typically diagnosed at a late stage. It doesn't present early at all, and it has a poor prognosis. So it's actually my brother-in-law who founded Target Cancer Foundation had cholangiocarcinoma, and what he encountered was very similar to what patients, in a lot of cases, still encounter 8 years later, which is just being told that there is a lack of treatments available for them, a lack of research. The current treatment landscape is a chemotherapy standard of care, which is given to most patients. What's encouraging and what's been changing is that there are many trials that are coming out for cholangiocarcinoma based on mutations that have been found to be present in that disease. So while the treatment landscape basically the standard of care remains the same today, there's a lot of activity and a lot of hope on the horizon based on the fact that these mutations have been identified. Companies are starting to identify or see a value in developing drugs and putting them into clinical trials that patients can now access. And as a foundation working with patients, we're seeing people getting onto these trials and in some cases finding success. To have a new drug approval specifically for a targeted mutation in a rare cancer like cholangiocarcinoma is a huge step forward, and I think would be a real sign to the community that there's value in developing drugs for rare cancers.